Ahmad Al-Farizal, NIM 241225019. Material the Teach Startup EcoCycle recently secured its first round of seed funding totaling 5 million. The substantial capital injection was immediately allocated across three core departments: finance, marketing, and operation. From a marketing perspective, the team decided to adopt a digital-first strategy. Their primary goal is to increase brand awareness among environmentally conscious consumers. Using social media campaigns that emphasize the product's unique value proposition, sustainable, resealable purchases, the marketing budget was optimized to achieve a right return on investment through targeting everything. In operation management, EcoCycle faced a more complex challenge they aimed for a lean manufacturing process to minimize waste and reduce production costs. This required reducing their supply chain to partner only with certified sustainable vendors. The operation team had to implement new quality control protocols, ensuring the output met both industrial and customer standards without increasing the lead time significantly. The finance department, led by the CFO, was responsible for the budget allocation and managing cash flow. The main focus was on financial, focusing to project future revenue and maintain sufficient liquidity. They also had to calculate the cost of goods sold accurately to set a competitive yet profitable pricing strategy. The decision to invest heavily in R&D, research and development, was reviewed weekly to ensure alignment with long-term financial goals. Comparison question. Pertanyaan pemahaman. Question: what is seed funding and what was the total amount of the initial seed funding secured by EcoCycle? Answer: seed funding is the initial capital profit to a startup to help develop its products and begin business operation. EcoCycle secured a total of 5 million in seed funding, which was allocated to three main departments: finance, marketing, and operation. 2. What is the unique value proposition and unique value proposition emphasized by the marketing team? Answer: the unique value proposition emphasized by the marketing team is eco-friendly, sustainable, and label product specifically disabled phone case. The marketing campaign focus on attracting environmentally conscious consumers. 3. And in operation management, what key process did EcoCycle adopt to reduce production costs? Answer: in operation management, EcoCycle adopted a lean manufacturing process to minimize waste and reduce production costs. They also restructured their supply chain by collaboration only with environmentally certified vendors. Question 4. What was the main responsibility of the finance department regarding future earnings? Answer: the main responsibility of the finance department was to manage budget allocation and cash flow in indication. They conducted financial forecasting to project future revenues and established competitive yet profitable pricing strategies. B. Critical thinking and integrates vocabulary cohesion, analisis kritis dan kosakata terpadu. Question number 1. The article mentioned the marketing package was optimized for a high ROI, return on investment. Jelaskan dengan kata-kata Anda sendiri. Mengapa ROI penting untuk dievaluasi dalam sebuah kompleks permasalahan? Answer: ROI is important because it measures how effectively and marketing investment generates profit. By evaluating ROI, a company can determine whether its marketing spending delivers results that justify the cost and can optimize further promotional strategies for greater efficiency. Question number 2. Apa itu cost goods sold (COGS) dan mengapa tim operation management perlu menghitung COGS secara akurat sebelum menetapkan pricing strategi? Answer: COGS, cost of goods sold, refers to the direct costs incurred in production the goods the company sells, such as raw materials and labor. The operation team must calculate in the accurately to set a competitive and profitable selling price and maintain financial stability. Question number 3. Apa itu lean manufacturing dan supply chain? Mengapa operasional memutuskan untuk melakukan lean manufacturing dan menstrukturisasi supply chain? Menurut Anda, trade-off apa yang paling mungkin dihadapi oleh manajemen dalam keputusan ini? Answer: lean manufacturing reduces waste. The supply chain manages material flow eco-cycle as but to cut costs. Though it may face higher initial costs and training needs before long-term efficiency improves. Sekian presentasi dari saya. Jika ada kata-kata yang kurang nyaman, mohon dimaafkan karena yang nyaman itu berada di sampingnya. I think makan kepiting. Thank you for everything. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.